In this video guide, I will share with you how to use Firebase Studio AI. So guys, this is a Firebase. You can make your app with AI, powered by AI, guys. All you have to do, click try Firebase from here. And then guys, you see this page, Firebase Studio. You have prototype app with AI. You have also recipient generator, ARP dashboard. You have expense tracker. You have landing page. Just write your prompts from here and click prototype AI. After that, guys, just wait to see your AI Studio. This just wait. You can see here, guys, I write something. I want to make a notes app where user can log in and save personal information. This is a quick notes, guys. This is all the features of note management, tagging systems, and note search and user authentications. Just click, guys, protect this app. All you have to do, you can customize your app also here. This is a coding your app, guys. You can use your app and you can use your coding from here, and you can also start your publishing. For example, if you want to publish your app on your Firebase project, you can link on Google Cloud accounts and enable Firebase services. So guys, just wait, you can also publish your app, as I say. And this is the app, and this is the quick note. For example, you can rename your apps from here. Quick note, for example, quick note test, just one that, for example, test, and click rename. After that, guys, this is how you can use this Fire Studio. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video. You have new workspace from here. You can features with this template. Use all this template, HTML and Next.js and React, and all more template you can use. You have for mobile, guys, you have Python also. You can use you have this is for mobile, and you can create new workspace from here, and you can write your workspace and click create, and you can start using your templates from here. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy guide. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.